Yo, what up guys? Elaine here from learntobitcoin.io, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin with a credit or debit card. Before we get started, I must say that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Trading cryptocurrency comes with certain risks and you could lose all of your money at any time. So always be sure to do as much research as you can, as your financial decisions are your own. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take you guys through the Changelly website. We're going to read up a bit about how it works and the fees involved, and then I'm going to show you the tools for you to buy Bitcoin with a credit card. So if you guys click the link in the description below, that is my referral link, and that'll take you to changelly.com, where you'll see this website right here. So it says exchange cryptocurrencies at the best rate. Transfer from one wallet to another within seconds. It's that simple. So you can basically exchange Bitcoin or other currencies for other currencies through Changelly as well. But what we're interested in is this little button right here saying buy Bitcoin with credit card, and that's Visa and MasterCard. Before we do that, we're just going to read down a bit. So it says here, fair, fast, and trusty. Other cryptocurrency trading services charge you with withdrawal fees and commissions. We have a reasonable fee of 0.5%. So that is their fair fee. Fast, enter the amounts and the address, transfer your coins, and let the magic happen. So their transactions and turnaround time is quite quick. And then it says trusty. Changelly is presented to you by Minergate. We are a team with one of the longest track records in the crypto market. So you can check out Minergate. That's another app that's for mining cryptocurrencies. And if we scroll down further, we can see here they were featured on Cointelegraph, Coindesk, Forbes, Bitcoin.com, and TechCrunch. And there's just some more tweets here that talk about the Changelly platform. A little bit further, and we can see their partners. They're partnered with Bread, Jack's Free Wallet, Coinami, and you can follow them on their various platforms here if you have Facebook, Twitter, or Steemit. Also guys, I do highly recommend going through the frequently asked questions, how it works, and all these things here before getting involved. Always do as much research as you can. But if you're looking to buy Bitcoin with a credit card, then you'll go right over here. And that will take you to a new part of the website, payments.changelly.com, and it'll read as follows. Buy Bitcoin with credit card, powered by Simplex, Visa, and MasterCard accepted here. So there's just a little more information here. The reasonable fees. Read up on the fees because you will want to to get this kind of convenience. You are going to have to pay a slightly extra fee than the traditional Coinbases and things like that. So the kind of the quick turnaround time is covered by a little bit of increased fees. So if you had to buy €100 or $100 of Bitcoin through Changelly, you're probably going to get a slightly less amount of Bitcoin than you would with the traditional Coinbase, Luno, and other exchanges like that, just because of the convenience. So it says here, quick transactions, lightning fast transactions taking 10 to 30 minutes in a regular circumstance. And then easy verification. Payment process is pretty simple and takes just a few steps. So they're going to get your card payments, they're gonna get your name and stuff just to make sure that there's no credit card fraud or anything like that. They will need to verify who you are. So if I want to buy $100 of Bitcoin, I just put that over here. I put the Bitcoin address that I want the Bitcoin sent to. So I will need to have a Bitcoin address, or you will need to have a Bitcoin address if you would like to use this service. That's either a Exodus wallet, and you can see one of my past videos about how to install an Exodus wallet. There's also Luno, Coinbase, there's Binance, tons of other exchanges, Bittrex as well, although they kind of fallen off a bit, but hey. And then once you get your Bitcoin address, you can just paste that there, prove that you're not a robot, and they'll go through, they'll get your card payment details, and you'll go on to the finish tab, where hopefully you have a successful transaction. And that's pretty much the long and short of it, guys. Through Changelly.com, you're able to buy Bitcoin with a credit card, which is super handy if you're not able to buy in any other ways. And you're able to trade those for other currencies as well, like Ethereum, Monero, Zcash, Dash, Ripple. So there's even more functionality to Changelly than just getting it with a credit card. But that's basically it, guys. If this video helped you learn how to get hold of more Bitcoin, or just learn more about getting Bitcoin with a credit card, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We've got lots more awesome bids coming your way. Also, there's links in the description below. Join our Discord. You can check out our online store. Get yourself a Bitcoin hat, t-shirt, or whatever else catches your eye. But yeah, follow us on Steemit. Follow us on YouTube. Follow us on Twitter. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.